much better na aware tayo sa mga behavior na kailangan nating baguhin. Good news, behavior can be changed, behavior can be learned. So it depends on us. For me, as financial advisor, I really appreciate this concept, behavioral finance. Para mas maintindihan si client, mas relatable yung mga pag-uusapan kasi syempre depende siya sa age, sa iba't ibang mga factors na kailangan i-consider when it comes to personal finance. I'm here to help and not to discourage. Perfect statements that sum up behavioral finance. If you can't control your money, making more won't help. So, tayo lang yung makakatulong sa sarili natin. Kasi gano'n man yung knowledge, information, tips about personal finance, kung hindi naman natin siya i-apply, kung hindi pa tayo ready na i-execute yung mga knowledge na yon, so, wala magbabago. Kaya sabi nga, di ba, in finance and in life, our purpose and objectives, not our behavior nor personality, should dictate our path and an outcome.